everybody, we just left the Fairview campground off of Highway 7 in the Ozark National Forest. We are starting another Ozark Highlands Trail hike. Angie's not with me this time, but I brought my buddy Jonah here.
Hey.
Ever since I started wandering block, you know, he's been begging and pleading to get on the show, so I gave him a spot. It's gonna be about a 20-mile hike, I think. We're going the opposite way of what the sections go. So we're starting at section 6 and we're gonna end at section 5. We're gonna spend the night out in the Hurricane Creek wilderness. Beautiful wilderness. Hopefully y'all enjoy, and hopefully we do too. First mile marker of the day. Doing a little road walking here and we come across a bridge.
Beautiful.
Pretty neat. Well, we lost the trail a bit. If you're hiking this section and you're doing the road heading west, there was some tornado damage and you don't see the trail. When you're hiking from the road, which is just down there, you'll kind of go up the hill here. You'll have to walk through some grass and you can't see the trail from the road. It's kind of tough. But we found it just walking up the hill. Well, we just made it to where we're gonna camp. We didn't make it all the way to the creek crossing, but we found this little stream here, so that will be our water source for the night. And there's a fire ring built already and some spot to put a tent, so should be a nice spot tonight. Good morning. Probably woke up about 30 minutes ago or so. We're setting up the tent. I went down there and got us some water. We're about to eat a quick breakfast and chill out for a minute, and then we'll get back on the trail. The last mile or so on the trail has had a lot of pretty streams going down the hill, filling up the creek. And now we're heading back uphill. Whoa, we found a new partner. Are you lost, buddy? There, stick with us. Well, the dog made it back to the owner. Just Jonah and I again. And we're hiking along Hurricane Creek still. We're trying to find that natural bridge. I'm pretty sure that bluff line I showed you there, that was the natural bridge area. It didn't really look like there were many clean spots to get on top of it, so we decided to stay on trail, save our energy. We're coming down onto Hurricane Creek. We'll probably cross the creek and stop for a lunch break. We're finishing our lunch break on the creek. We got a little bit of rain coming down on us. Oh, we got across Hurricane Creek and we're ascending from there now. I think it's like a 500-foot elevation gain. It's been kind of tough so far after taking a lunch break, but it's starting to level out now. Well, we just passed mile marker 107. The trail is getting pretty flat and steady now. We just met somebody else hiking the opposite way, so no more spider webs in our face. Should be smooth sailing from here. We made it to mile 105. The trail will end at mile 103.8, so we got a little more than a mile left. Well, we made it to the Big Piney Bridge. We're crossing it right now. The beautiful Big Piney Creek. We're parked just on the other side of the bridge here, a little down the road. And that concludes our hike. Thanks for watching.